Yeah, he's a late model driver. Super late model driver.
Oh, that's how I recognize his name. I thought I knew him.
Dude, Sam!
Yo! I think I saw you at my home track a couple weeks ago. Were you at Hickory? Look me up on Google. My nickname is Gabe Horn.
Yeah, I think it was a typo, because I googled it, and it's just a bunch of naked guys. Yeah. Can you spell that out for me? I didn't really hear that good.
One lap to green. You'll be lining up on the inside. Pit road is closed. Jetstar 5, car.
What are you sponsored by, Dane?
I've heard somewhere around the grapevine that's possible.
I mean, I'm not saying he will win, but watch out for him. Like he's one of the best talents coming up through the ranks. I think he's a genuine shot for the KBM truck ride. I'm not even joking.
Get ready,
I've
going
heard
green.
he might run KBM Super Late at the Snowball later this year.
Like, just imagine Ty Gibbs, but better.
Who in the shit are we talking about?
You need to
The pace car is
get the
in.
fucking light out. You need to pass me.
Green flag, green
Dane
flag.
Kruse, the next up in the world.
How have you not heard of Dane
Outside.
Kruse?
Got 10 laps to go. Keep low. Outside is clear. Car outside.
Just some people watch other sports than NASCAR.
Stay low. There is a car on the high side.
Hey, he's pretty
Still
close
there,
in the
hold
run
your
for the
line.
next Ferrari
Clear high.
F1 too. So what I've heard.
Is he getting some F2 starts this year?
I think he did Danforth and got a podium at the fastest lap, but you know the hards ran off at the end. You know people pitted for softs on the two-stopper. But you know BWT Euro they're always not good with tire wear and all that fun stuff.
Slow car down low. Go high. Go high. Go low. Inside. Car outside. Clear up top.
Solid. Thought we almost got through that.
Slow car ahead. Go high.
Hey Jeremiah, I think it's a skill issue.
I threw the block, might have been a bit too late, but block, and then he got hit my right rear, and then wall, and then he raked all field. Sorry about that.
You're good, you should do it again.
You're in the top 10.
Yeah, he's running fourth. He got a little bit of the wreck, but he's about 2 seconds behind the leader. He's coming pretty fast. Pretty good.
Outside. Keep low. Outside is clear.
1
inside. Clear inside. Outside. Clear outside if you want it. You're in fifth.
Roll, Tide, roll.
Five laps to go. Slow car, down low.
Oh my god, it's all
Slow
going
car, down low.
I gotta finish the race, man. I gotta at least say I can finish top 10 with Dane Kruse.
Yeah, it's like the only goal is just to be anywhere near him. He's so fast. Crazy. Like, this guy is literally next up to be the next IndyCar Steve or shot next to him.
Dane Kruse is so good, he can literally, isn't he going into SRX?
Yeah, I heard he's got some SRX stuff, and you know, he's next up for the Honda seat and them stuff.
Two more, let's go.
Yeah, that's next seat.
Is it?
I've heard that he's going to be doing some boxing for SRS, is what I heard.
He also told us he makes us to do your mom's speedway.
Now, Warren, I'm damaged now to get bad, but I got no front wheel. Yeah, Dane Kruse so fast, took it right off my car.
Car inside. Clear
Legend
inside.
says that he's so big they don't have to put front ballast in the car.
White flag. One more lap to go.
was a close request, but that was cool. Eric, if you want to push, get in the other lane.
I'm not coming
Car
behind
stopped
you.
up high. Go low. Slow car down low.
Wait
Go
20
high.
minutes for me a new car.
Slow car ahead. Slow car down low. Go low.
Everybody go back. Stop. I got it on. There they go. Gordon gets loose. Oh.
Red Ryan Blaney killed another man!
And they're wrecking. Oh my god. Dane Kruse won this race.
Unattached Esports wins with Frank DeAngle.
There's the flag. It's over. Good job. Very good job.
My toe button isn't working, so I'm stuck in 3 and 4.